Thomas and the Magic Railroad, wrote by Britt Allcraft, made in August 2nd, 1999. Intro. We will be experiencing a moment of darkness and silence for a big white screen in front of us. The screen is about life to tell us a story. Then, here, the darkness of the Illuminati flicking the railroad is closer to rumble train wheels, louder, louder. We are curious, excited, filled with anticipation. Soon, we will hear a wonderful swishing sound of whistle. It is all here. It is all around us, and we will see images upon the other splash of blue, a dash of gray, and a little bit of yellow, and then of a red. I will sweep across the darkness to the reflections of the light, and are gone through the tunnel. And in a whoosh of steam, we have pieces of a jigsaw puzzle we can't identify to the complete until we outside the tunnel. Steam departures is the back of the little blue train, 6 small wheels, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome, speeding along the journey of a cloud of steam. Along our journey, a cloud of steam, and our first glimpse of Thomas at home on the island of Sodor. He disappears around the corner, and we will go into the blue sky, as bright as the blue of the little engine that we will come down searching for again. Amidst the glorious landscape laid out breath us, we hear a voice, a warm voice of our storyteller, who as the story ends, we will learn is Lily grown up. I believe that most folks understand that a train journey, great adventure, may be waiting around the corner. Now, we have found our cheeky Thomas, but he is ahead of us, so we cannot see the special magic of the cheeky little engine. A wonderfully expressive face, and his friends poses where the other engines, merely carrying smoke boxes of a train whistle has vanished. Its romance, which will remain human heart, whatever the age, whatever the time. Now we are ahead of Thomas. We bring bellowing steam hurtling his approach. He can see around the corner.